some other returns, and this is in the 4012 tab M. So we have other returns are what we call our amended returns. This is correcting a previously submitted tax return. So correcting the original or first tax return that has been transmitted for that year. So this will be related to maybe income, maybe some additional income statements needed to be added. A tax client forgot that they had an additional W-2. Maybe they only worked at this job for maybe a week. And so now they need to come and add that additional income. Adding or removing dependents. Maybe they determined that they were able to claim an individual as a dependent, or that they determined that they were not able to. So that adjustment needs to be made. Claiming or removing deductions or credits. Again, that could be tied into dependents that they have determined that they are allowed to claim or not allowed to, or wanting to change or determining that they are able to change their filing status. So these amended returns is the form 1040X. And so just letting you know, these can now be filed electronically starting with the 2019 tax year, our newer returns. So if we do have someone wanting to amend a 2018 or 17, those will still have to be paper amended returns, and the client will have to print and mail those to the IRS on there. So we are able to do amended returns electronically, and this is reserved for advanced volunteers to prepare. So our tax layer, and when we log in, we should be able to prepare 2016 to 2020, which is the current tax year, in tax layer. If there are multiple years, so if you have a tax client that has not filed for more than 1 year, we do recommend that you start with the oldest year first, so that basic tax information will roll over to the next year, and this makes it easier to complete the tax return. So 2020, so the current year, 2019 and 2018 tax returns, they can still be e-filed. So we're able to submit those electronically to the IRS. But 2017 and 16 tax returns have to be paper returns. So the tax client will have to print, sign, and mail those to the IRS. Also, April the 15th of this year is the deadline for individuals to file their 2017 tax return and get that refund, also to amend as well.